and B here, okay, or 2B here. It will give A by 2B, then give a space. So minus X subscript 1 superscript 2. It will give X subscript 1 superscript 2. Okay, let me check what is the result. You just play with it, you will learn, nothing else. Yeah, so let me, yeah, so here is the equation. You can see, or you can try in your own compiler. So A by 2B minus X, X1 square, this is actually X1 square, X subscript 2, A1 superscript 2. So one equation number came automatically. I didn't do anything for this. Now I want to put bracket. Okay, so I will repeat. I will copy this. So I want to put bracket. Okay. Now compile. You see small brackets. I need to increase them. Just put one left here because this is left part, left, and then space slash RIGHT, right. Okay, now compile. It will adjust the size. Yeah, fine. And you can play with the rest of the things. I think it is here, right? So second bracket, third bracket. Yeah. So I will try this one now. Okay. So d rho dt minus 2 within third bracket. Okay. D rho dt minus 2 within third bracket, then angular bracket, but before one gamma. So gamma times d rho dt minus 2 within angular bracket. Angular bracket sometimes means average. So suppose you are doing something average over initial condition, initial position x0 and y0, and that will notify using this. So angular bracket subscript x0 comma y0. So I am going to write this. Okay. Slash begin equation. So write begin equation and end equation. Then type. So first start with the fraction part. Okay. Fraction d rho dt. So d is ordinary d. To type rho, this is Greek alphabet. So you need command slash rho. Bro, very simple. Now dt. No worry. You know this space will not affect anything because it is in math mode. So frac d rho dt. Now you need to cover it by third bracket, large third bracket. So slash. This is RIGHT, right? Third bracket. And 1 slash LEFT, left third bracket. Till now, what we have? Let me check. Let me check, compile it. So why is the PDF? Yeah. So we have till now this d rho dt within third bracket. Now I want a minus 2, say, so minus 2 multiplied by a gamma slash gamma gamma. Okay. Now, okay, let me check again. Yeah, gamma times d rho dt minus 2. Okay. Then I need to put that average angular bracket. So angular bracket is left angular. So slash L angle ANGLE. So left L angle is left angle. It will give you angular bracket, and you need to close it. Slash RANGLE wrangle. It may look difficult to keep remembering all these things, all the commands, but yeah, I assure you, once you are habituated, you will be fine with this. Okay, so left and right. Now I need that, what is, why it is not showing the subscript? For some reason it is not showing subscript. This is actually subscript, you know, this is subscript. I am typing subscript here. After wrangle or angle, I am typing subscript here. So due to some color problem, it is not showing. Okay. So I am typing a subscript here. Then x subscript 0. I don't know why it is not showing. Oh, it is showing actually for zooming in. Yeah. So comma y subscript 0. So x0 and y0, these are two initial position, and you are doing average over initial position of this particular quantity. So what is the result? Let me check. Here is the result, but you need large bracket. Okay, it looks bad. So again, same formula, just put slash RIGHT before wrangle and slash LEFT before wrangle. Now, yeah, here is the final result. Okay. Now you see equation number are coming 1, 2, 3, but sometimes we don't want any numbers. Say this equation is not that much important. Okay. Then you don't want any equation number. Okay. Just put before this line. This is your actual equation line. Just before slash no number, no NUMBER. Okay, no number. Let me check. Wait. Let me check again. Why it is so? It should not appear. I don't know. Maybe due to the package. The no number package is there. Okay, so let us forget about that no number thing right now. No. No, I don't. I think it is the package problem. I deactivated all packages. That is why it is not working. Let me check this package I am activating. No. Yeah, this is the package problem. Now equation 3 is not here. So this is the extra facility with the packages. You know, you can do the basic things. So right now I am deactivating it again. If I find any problem, I will activate. So let me go to the slides. It is this one. Okay, now write down this one. X to the power n minus 1 by x minus 1 is equal to sum over k is equal to 0 to n minus 1 x to the power k. Write it down. So it is written already in the slide. You can see. So again, begin equation. Forget about this no number. You already know the use of it. Now fraction, we need to write the x to the power n minus 1 in the numerator. So x to the power n minus 1, as simple as that. Then in the denominator x minus 1, it will appear in the second bracket, second part of the fraction. Then equal sign, and this slash sum will give you the summation sign. Then there are two limits of the summation. One is k equal to 0, another is n minus 1. So write k equal to 0 in the subscript. Okay, after this, it is called? No. Huh? Okay, this underscore. After this underscore, you write k is equal to 1, and then the upper limit as a superscript n minus 1. Okay, so the activity, I mean effectiveness of subscript ends here. Okay, so the effectiveness of the subscript ends here, and the effectiveness of the superscript ends here. After that, it will take ordinary thing. So x to the power k will appear as ordinary x to the power k. Okay. So now try to, what is going on? I don't know. So let me type this one, slash begin equation, end equation. So slash frac x to the power n minus 1, right? Let me check. Yeah, x to the power n minus 1 by x minus 1. So x to the power n space minus space 1, then x minus 1. Okay, let me check again. Yeah, so here is the output. This is x to the power n minus 1 by x minus 1. Now this equal to summation over sum. It will give the summation sign. After that, put underscore, then within second bracket, because you have more than one thing to put in underscore. It is k equal to 0. Okay, everything will come under the as a super subscript. Then the superscript part, or that is the upper limit part. Okay, so this is n minus 1. Then here space, if you want, x to the power k. Let me compile it and check it. Yeah, x to the power n minus 1 by x minus 1 is equal to somewhat k is equal to 0 to n minus 1 x to the power k. Any question till now? Semanti, any question in the comment box?
Let me please check.
Yeah, there are questions. Should I stop sharing?
There is a problem in producing double column.
Double column. Oh, one column, two column.
I guess
Okay, okay. It was earlier or
it was at 2:06. It's like 6 minutes back.
oh, yeah. Just I don't know. Maybe package problem. Or you can go with the one column thing. Just write down the one column instead of two column right now, and or maybe you have the packages. Please don't comment it out. Then it may work. Okay. So let me
Yes, there
practice
is
this
no
one.
other comment in the chat box.
Okay. 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 So I want to write equation 8. The limit x tends to 0, sin x by x equal to 1. Okay. So I need to write x tends to sin x by x equal to 1. That is fine. Let me go to the so limit. You see, let me show you again. So anything, any text inside the math mode, like say x or n, that is not ordinary x and n appears in the text. It is slightly italic kind of thing. Okay, because they consider it as variable. So a and x all are variable here. But if you want to use sin, sin, so how, I mean, a reader will differentiate between sin and product of three variables sin. Okay, to differentiate that, you need to sign function as ordinary text. So there are inbuilt functions, say sine, cos. Here is a list of that. So the arc cos, log, okay, arctan, any log natural, limit, exponential. There are some well defined or previously installed functions, okay, which you give you this sine function, and if you put slash limit, it will give limit, not in italic font. Okay, so now we'll like this, limit x tends to 0. So slash limit, limit, okay, underscore, because it is as subscript, again second bracket, x tends to. So tends to is the right arrow, right? So slash, give a space, then slash RIGHTARROW, right arrow, x tends to 0. It will give you limit x tends to 0. Then give a space. The effect of underscore is done in this second bracket by ending the second bracket. Okay. Then you need to write the fraction sin x by x. So write frac fraction sin, sorry, slash sin x by x. Okay. This will give you 1 is equal to 1. Let me check. One error. Why? Oh, limit a package problem.
Slash limit.
Hmm? No, slash limit is fine. It cannot recognize slash limit as inbuilt function. Oh, slash lim. Yeah, thanks. Slash lim. Yeah, now no error. Slash lim is the inbuilt function for limit. Where it is? Yeah. Limit x tends to 0, sin x by x is equal to 1. Okay. So we have practiced a lot of equations. Okay. Now what I am going to say, I think you need one more practice. You can do it yourself, I think. So, yeah. So let me practice this one also. Then I will go to more than one equation thing. Okay. So let me do this. Right now. Sum over k equal to 0 to infinity minus 1 to the power k by k plus 1 is equal to integration 0 to 1 dx by 1 plus x. So I'm going to type this. This is the last thing. So first let me write down the summation slash sum summation underscore k equal to 0 to the power or superscript the upper limit. Okay, you can put bracket or not, extra bracket will not harm. So infinity slash I nfty infinity 0 to infinity is done. Then the fraction part slash ac fraction, okay, minus 1 to the power k minus 1 to the power k divided by k plus 1 equal to integration slash int, this is inbuilt, underscore, this is the limit, underscore 0 to the power 1. It means from 0 to 1 subscript and superscript. Then give a space slash frac dx 1 plus x. So I will compile it. Yeah, here it is, equation 6. So we are done. So right now we are writing single equation. Now if we want to write more than one equation in a paragraph, it is called equation array. What to do that? So to do that we use the so first of all I will copy this thing. This is equation.
কই যাই দেখি এ বলছি কি তাপস তাপস একটা কাজ করো
What is going on?
Yeah, Shubhadip, are you there?
Yeah,
Yeah, sorry for the interruption.
এখন
I have muted the participant. So please continue.
sorry.
Yeah, sorry for the interruption. Someone unmuted themselves. So
Okay.
খানা তরকারি করেছে তা বলছি এখন তিনখানা দিক রাতের
We cannot control that, right?
yeah, you please go on.
Okay. So I will copy this thing. Okay. Oh, this thing. Okay, no, not one thing. So equation array means the array of equation. Okay. So the command for that is similar. begin begin equation eqnarray. Okay. So begin eqn array, that is equation array, and end equation array. So you can write more than one equations. So I am just copying this. This is my first equation, and this is my second equation. Okay, no vertical space, but you need to put a line break here. That is the most important part. Okay, so begin equation array and end equation array, you need to put a line break after every equation. Now let me compile it. Yeah, where is it? Here it is. So I put them together. So what happens if there is no line break? So it will consider as a single equation. Let me check. I mean, no line break, that is single enter. So what it will do? It will take it a single equation. I mean, it is not what we want. Yeah. So up to this equal to 1, it was our first equation. The first equation and second equation, it will consider as a single equation. Okay, so give a line break. So line break is double backslash. Okay, fine. This equation array is again very important. To make equation, now I need to use this math package at least to give you the no number thing. Okay, so suppose you have a large equation and you want to break it in 2 lines, but you don't want any equation number in the first line because it is not the end of the equation, right? You want the equation number in the second line. So suppose I want to break this equation. Let me copy this. Or let me check whether I have any sample. Where is my slides? Yeah, up to this we are done. Oh, next stage is generate test 4. Okay, this is not test 4, actually generate assignment 2.pdf. So let me check. This is the last thing I will discuss today. Okay, so assignment 2, you can see. So in assignment 2, you need to write equations. So for those who have the packages, use 2 columns, and otherwise you can use 1 column, and you write down these equations. Okay, you know what is partial, subscript x, everything you can do. You write the whole thing, but note that the equation 3 here, the last equation, you can see, I hope. So equation 3 is a large equation and you need to break. So we will use equation array command to do this, and when you break this, you will not put any equation number here. So I will show you how. Let me go to the Kyle. So I want to break this equation. I will copy this. I will just remove this part and say I want to break it here. I want to write the things after equal sign in the next line. So just give a line break here where you want to break the equation, and put a no number slash NONUMBER. Okay, so it will break the equation and give you the answer, required answer. So yeah, you can see. Okay, and one more last thing is how to adjust the position. Okay, so if you want this thing, let me check one thing. Say for equation 6 and 7, you can see equation 6 and 7. So they are placed in a manner that the end of the two equations are in same position, right? But if you want the equal signs to be in the same position, so that it looks good, what you will do? You will do just put two and one and here, and compile. Okay, you can see the equal signs are in same place now. Similarly, you can put two ends here, then space, and also two ends here. The position of ends will give you the position of your equations like this. You can see the initial line of these two equations, two part of the equation 8 in same place. Okay, so that is the last thing I wanted to discuss. So let me stop here. So I am going to stop sharing and check comment box. Okay. So any question? I see one last question. Producing a double column, I think, I don't know. That should not be a problem. I will check and let you know. Error emergency stop. Why? Did you try? Did you try that no number things when it appeared? Missing delimiter. That it. So I will. Semanthi, can you unmute?
Okay, so with whom do you want to talk to?
I cannot hear you.
Hello?
Yeah.
Yeah, with whom do you want to talk to?
Say the Ruchika Gupta.
Yeah, so Miss Ruchika Gupta, are you there? You can unmute yourself, Miss Ruchika Gupta.
Hello.
Yeah, yeah, Ruchika Gupta, can you hear us?
Yes, I can hear.
Okay, so you can directly talk to the speaker regarding your problem. Shubhati, over to you.
Sir, the problem is, you see a begin equation, after that slash left, slash L angle, then slash left, and then I put curly brackets. So,
Okay. Yeah. That.
so in place of this curly brackets, if I put a simple C bracket or square bracket, then it runs. But the moment I put curly bracket, it gives a error like this.
To generate curly bracket, you need to put a backslash before the curly bracket.
Okay. So after and before on both sides, like after right slash right curly bracket, then slash, and slash left curly bracket, then slash. You need to say like that?
Yes, just before the curly bracket starts and ends.
Okay.
If you want it to be printed in the PDF.
Okay.
Okay, I discussed in the slide. You can check it. In the
Okay.
okay, the next thing is emergency stop. Khemraj Karki. Can you unmute?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. What is your problem?
So,
So
problem is
until this emergency stop, it was working good.
yes, sir. It was working good, sir. When the equation started, then it came, sir.
For every equation, I mean, say alpha by beta.
Yes, sir. After first equation, sir. During second equation, sir.
Which equation can you read?
So during second equation, sir. Second equation that.
And equation means equation 2. I mean a by 2b minus x1 to x1 square. That one.
Sorry.
Can you say?
Gamma bracket db
Okay.
by dt minus 2. The x0 y0, sir.
I understand. So can you generate a by 2b minus x1 square, that part you generated?
Yes, sir.
There was no problem, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, then I think you missed something during typing this. You just go to the slide. I mean, everything is there to generate this gamma thing and the rest of the equations. You just copy and paste from the PDF I have shared in the classroom and check whether the error comes or not. Then you can find where exactly the error. Some extra space or some missing backslash or some missing, second bracket. Okay?
Okay, sir.
Just copy and paste from there and check, and we'll discuss tomorrow.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
Okay, welcome. So, Semanthi, should we stop here?
Yeah, Shubhati will check if there.
Okay, another.
Question is there.
Yeah, the information of contributor is some font is there. Oh, that is this is math. I mean calligraphic, right? So it is calligraphic font. You need to use by using some other command in math mode. So this and let me. Okay, I will show it tomorrow. Okay. The calligraphy mode I will show you tomorrow.
Okay, sure. We're just waiting for Monisha Di. So actually, we need to stop for today because we have another webinar by 3 o'clock. So we need to stop for the ending. So just issue a few moments.
Okay.
We were just waiting for Monisha.
Right now,
One thing, Shubhadeep, do they have any time limit for submitting the first assignment?
no, I didn't assign. I mean, tomorrow, within tomorrow, you can try. Cannot. Otherwise, I am going to discuss the doubt tomorrow's class, and you can try this so that you can discuss the doubt.
Okay, so what should they do? Like they should type that and upload it in the Google
Yeah.
Classroom, the
Yeah,
PDF
in
version.
PDF. Whatever you uh, PDF, just upload classroom.
Okay, so the participants are requested to please try to complete the assignment by today because we will address all your doubts tomorrow. So if you kindly upload your results in PDF form in the classroom
Yeah,
section, then we can go through that tomorrow and the speaker can answer your
yeah.
queries.
So
Then we will be able to proceed to the next section.
you can write your comments in the classroom also privately.
Okay, so you can post your comments in the classroom.
Okay.
Okay, so Monishadi, are you there? Monishadi? Just a moment. So for the GNU plot, I have sent the installation instruction in the group that is for Windows. So Shubhadeep, can you please send me the code for Linux? Shubhadeep, are you there? I guess we have lost the connection with Shubhadeep. Okay, so actually the link shared in the Physics ECGC WhatsApp group is the link for installation of GNU plot in Windows. I will also send it in the Google group. I will get the installation instruction for Linux and share that too. So it's a kind request to the participants that you please get the GNU plot installed by tomorrow afternoon. So, so that if you face any problem, I get sufficient time to sort those out prior to the session. So we have Monisha Dev with us, and we have concluded the latex, both the latex sessions for today. So Monisha Dev, over to you.
Hello, can you hear me?
Yeah, yes, Monisha Dev.
Yes. Well, we have come to the end of the first day of your Ratix workshop, and I hope everybody has enjoyed the session. It has been a very profitable and productive session. We all wait to hearing from you tomorrow, and we also expect your active participation as you have done today. We expect you to be there with us tomorrow again. So we are now signing off. Stay healthy, stay happy, and stay safe. Looking forward to again meeting you tomorrow. Thank you.
Thank you, Monisha.